actually today. So wonderful. Let's go to the next speaker, and the next speaker is our beautiful Binaifer, who does Kaudi reading for everyone, basically for the speakers and for a few participants. So let's start with Kaudi reading for Shivi Verma and then for Sanjeev. So let's go. Shivi, do you have any question?
Actually, I right now do not have a question, but yeah, I would like to know how close I am to getting, settled in my life maritally.
Wonderful. How close is she in getting settled in life maritally?
So Shivi, for you, I have got it can happen pretty soon for you. Around say 6 to 8 months from now, you might find somebody who's suitable for you. But there are certain blocks that are there, certain restrictions that you have still kept within yourself, which is not allowing you to be close to somebody in that way. So you need to let go of those inhibitions that are still there within you, and there is a beautiful journey waiting for you, to explore. So you need to be open to receiving even love. So let yourself receive that love again, and it's going to happen very soon. Thank you.
Wonderful.
Thank you, Binay.
Let's go to the next speaker, Sanjeev. Sanjeev, do you have any question for Binaifer? Any specific question? You'll have to unmute yourself. Sanjeev, you'll have to unmute yourself. Do you have any questions, Sanjeev?
It's okay?
Yes, perfect. Hi.
Not really, not now.
Okay. So just a general reading for him.
Yeah. So.
काम के बारे में बताओ मैडम, पैसे कब आएंगे और
She will say it's a hard time, it's a COVID time, so you have to be patient.
You just never know.
Okay, so let's ask her the simple question. Yeah. How my business will improve and how long it will take more.
Yeah.
Mr. Sanjeev, an inward journey.
Your voice is cracking. सवाल इतना भयंकर था कि आवाज क्रैक हो रही है.
Sorry, can you hear me now?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So for you, a beautiful journey inward is gonna start. A more spiritual journey is gonna start. You need to change your perspective for a lot of things, and you are getting certain messages as regards to your family, what you should do, what you shouldn't do. So just follow that, go with the flow, and things will improve. Right now, yeah, like you said, there is a block on money for everybody. It's not just you, but
yes.
The times are going to change soon. So just look forward to that, but definitely try and change your perspective about a lot of things which are blocking you from achieving the spirituality that you want to achieve.
Wonderful. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Let's go with a few people who you can read for. Let's read for Mohini Vadera, the better half of Sanjeev.
Okay. Any questions?
Namaste, yeah, she is not keeping well for so long. She has health problem. So like lately is getting worse.
How will she and how long will it take for her to improve?
Okay.
Thank you. Kalpana, do you want reading to be done? If yes, just write in the chat box.
She will recover. So it is actually taking some time. She needs a lot of protection more than anything else. though whatever medication you give, that is there, definitely you need that also. But a lot of protection, like what I mean is a lot of spiritual protection, that what she needs. She tends to get attracted to negative energies pretty fast. So for that, whatever you can do to help her, protect her aura, shield her aura, you should do that. It will take time, but she will recover.
Okay.
Wonderful.
Thank you.
Can we do a reading for Simran Arora?
Sure, sure.
Thank you.
Simran, any questions?
Simran, any questions? Yes, we will get a reading done for Sudha Tandon. Yes.
Excuse me,
Yes.
can I ask a question?
Of course you can. But after the reading. Thank you.
Okay. Okay.
Let the reading get done for the other person and then.
Any question for Simran?
Simran, you have any question? Simran, you have any question? Simran dear, you have any question? Okay, can we do a reading for Sudha Tandon, please?
Okay. Any question?
Suchi, do you have any question for your mom?
I've got a question, Kalpana here.
I
Yes, Kalpana. Okay, so let's do Suchi first and then both of you write down your questions, please.
basically just
I-
for her health.
Okay, for Suchi's mom and Sudha Tandon for her health.
Okay, for your mom's health, there is a little up and down going on right now, but she basically needs to be a little more happier than what she is. She might be going through some emotional turmoil where she's not totally happy with herself, what is happening around her. So maybe a little more towards spirituality, listening to some meditative music, whatever that makes her feel nice, let her do that and she will come out of it. That's all she needs, is a little support, a little love. That's it. Thank you.
Wonderful. For Simran, please. Simran, you have a question? Simran, do you have a question?
No.
Do you have a question,
Oh.
Simran? Okay. Kalpana, what is your question?
Yeah, I just wanted to know, from last 12 years, my building is stuck, like, it has gone for redevelopment and so many obstacles are coming. So I'm in a very bad condition now.
Okay.
How to solve, and will it solve
Will this problem get
month
solved?
or something like that?
Will the problem get
Yes.
sorted? Her building is gone
Yeah.
for redevelopment.
I want to know.
Thank you. Wonderful.
It's gonna take time because there are a lot of hidden factors in the case, a lot of things that haven't been revealed to you all, because of which it's taking time. So you'll have to just wait it out. It's gonna take time.
Thank you so much for that. Let's do the last person and then for the whole group. My mind is again going back to Sakshi. I have no idea why she's not saying anything. Okay, so let's go to Nisha. A question from Nisha. Nisha, is there any question that you have? What's the question?
Anu, you muted yourself.
What's the question you have, Nisha?
No, I don't have any question. Thank you so much.
Wonderful. Just do a general reading for her, please. Thank you.
So I sorry to interrupt. Hello.
Kalpana, you will have to wait now because I have the other person online, please.
No, actually, when you were saying, no, my line got cut. I couldn't hear what she said about it.
So what she said was it's going to take
I'm
time.
sorry.
It's going to take time, sweetheart.
Okay. So we don't know.
It's going to take time is all
Thank you.
Binaika knows. Thank you so much. Really appreciate.
For you, I have got what little blocks in the family. It could be somebody close to you. It could be yourself who you're not feeling comfortable with right now. So just try and use your intuition to do things that make you feel a little more at peace within yourself. Maybe a little meditation, maybe a little chanting, whatever you feel that makes you feel at peace, at ease, please do that. And there are a lot of messages coming to you regarding this situation and how you can improve it and how you can do better at it. So please go ahead with that, follow your intuition, and yeah, things are getting better for you. And I'm seeing you also moving more towards spirituality, so please accept that with a lot of openness. Thank you.
Wonderful. Yes, Aarti, bye-bye. Have a great class. Let's do a general reading for the whole group. What do they need to do and how do they need to keep themselves going?
So again, today I've got that we need to move towards spirituality. Just and also to be ourselves. We are not being authentic, as you say. We are not allowing ourselves to feel what we are feeling. So just be there for yourself, and things will improve. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Get in touch with me on the Facebook or WhatsApp or anytime.
Yes.
You're most welcome.
Absolutely. I'm going to be putting up on the Facebook your restaurant name and that it came in Prague Post. I will be putting up that. So all of you can go have a look. I will also roll in the photographs of the restaurant once again so that you all know that it's worth going there. Right now, I'm going to put off from the Facebook and I'm going to just run a song for